So, Murray, we're here to talk about your recent capital raise. Announced last week, shares are now trading as of today. Very quickly though, 12 months ago you raised money. That was primarily earmarked for upgrade and advancing that.
Yep.
Talk us through how that's progressed.
So the strategy was to prove the upgrade process in a pilot plant and then determine the cost base in a study. The design construction pilot plant went really well, under budget, on schedule. It's on the water now. It's due into Namibia as we speak today. Our metallurgist has been living there for 2 months with his young family, ready for the pilot plant. So he's got the assay lab built. He's got a lot of people employed already. There's a lot of infrastructure in place ready for the pilot plant to be put in place and commissioned in a short period of time. So we're expecting a pilot plant run before Christmas. So what we could control, we controlled quite well. Unfortunately, there was a delay with shipping. It was put us 5 weeks behind schedule. But aside from that, all pretty positive. We've engaged the study manager at the moment, and they're just reviewing some data we've given them and the quotes from the engineering groups. So we're expecting to finalise that and an appointed engineer in the coming weeks, and that can commence on the study.
So this raise, what are you allocating these funds for? Well,
this enables us to really speed up every facet of the business, really get moving on. For instance, we know that the upgrade process was developed on Marenica. We're very confident it's going to work. So we now want to put that ore through the pilot plant, demonstrate that it works on Marenica. We're currently doing a resource review on Marenica. There's 5,000 plus holes that we're just doing validation on. It's taken a bit longer than I expected, but that's going to give us a resource that then we can say, okay, it's a higher cut-off grade, and now we expect that it's going to be a higher resource grade. Commence the pilot plant on that, then move into a study phase to confirm that cost. Now, is the concentrate from there going to go down to Coppy's project? There's a lot of aspects of that. So they'll run in parallel pretty much. We're drilling at the Marenica Dome. We'll also be drilling at Namibia 4, expecting a maiden resource early next year, but there'll be more drilling to do because that's just the maiden resource. There's going to be a lot more. There's a large area to drill. Our fourth discovery in 4 years was Capri. We want to drill that next year. So it'll be 4 resources from 4 discoveries, pretty good conversion rate. And then moving across to Australia, we've got Angela drilling, which is happening next week. We're drilling underneath the 31 million pound resource. If that hits mineralisation, then that really opens that project up. So that's quite exciting for us. We began approvals on to get drilling on the Minerva resource. We know when it was drilled and discovered in 78, it was 10,000 ppm grades in it. So we want to go and understand the structure, go and drill that. And we've also got some M&A activity we want to do. We think there's some growth potential for us to improve the quality of our asset base and our location. So we're looking at that M&A activity.
So a lot to deliver on, and expectations following any capital raise are typically higher.
Yep.
News flow wise, how busy can the market expect you to be then?
Yeah, we don't mind expectations. That's pretty healthy. We're all told the troops that we've got the focus on this. So what we're going to get focused on now is getting results out of the pilot plant, moving on the study. We won't have study results until next year, but we're moving on that. Drilling at Marenica, drilling at Namibia 4, and drilling at Angela, immediate term. But then, we've got the longer term where we get the results coming out of Marenica, results coming out of Capri, Minerva. So there's a lot, not just in 6 months, there's a lot in 12 months. So it's quite exciting for us.
Lots to pay attention to, and no doubt you'll be keeping the market updated. We look forward to more progress along the way.
Thank you. We look forward to updating the market.